What's up, villagers? Today we have a special event.
We're riding down the boulevard. We're riding through the dark night.
Today we have a special event with Airbnb. Yes, we were invited to be at an event and we're gonna take you along. So let's go. I'm gonna share this with you.
But we are about to board that boat, Miami lady, to hang out with some friends and just to get to know more about the community because we got invited by this event. So we're happy to be here.
Nice.
Yeah.
See you then. It's a nice afternoon, babe.
It's a nice
I really love
afternoon.
it. Look at this. Look at the sunset. Look at the sunset, guys.
Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
Let's do a party, right? Let's just have fun, meet each other, and prepare for this. And then hopefully we'll be in touch and keep continuing and killing it in Miami. Have fun!
Trying to get famous. Boy, you had me at goodbye. My love's not a long time drift. I'm a sucker for your swagger. Only Tuesday nights available. We'll party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Give a little love to a hit song machine.
So right now we are just enjoying the view. We met a couple of our colleagues, and this is a nice way to interact with the community. Everybody's local here in Miami, and look at this. We got free drinks. I mean water, but you know. Today is a nice day. It's a Thursday, and that's about it. I mean, this is how we'll spend just a random normal day. Thanks to Airbnb. By the way, let us know if you've been using any Airbnb service, like any hosts or experiences. We love to travel and use Airbnb, by the way. So next we're gonna travel to a secret destination, and we're actually renting an Airbnb. It was a private room, so let's see how that
I've been working day and night, just trying to get famous. Stay ahead or stay behind. Why don't we just roll with this? I'm a sucker for your swagger. Only Tuesday nights available. We'll party till mañana, and then I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. I'm inviting you to go home with me, home with me. Cause all I do is work hard, no sleep, repeat. Yeah, all I do is work hard.
So today was a really short vlog for you guys. It was a long night for us. But we want to thank you for watching. I mean, if you like this type of content, let us know. And remember to always live al 100%, which means to live life to the fullest. So goodbye, villagers. See you in the next one. Woo! Ba, ba, ba. If you know the song, if you know our outro song, please sing it and dance it with me.
Todo el barrio loco, chico, es Mao.
Ella es my girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. Ella es my girlfriend.